Hi, I'm Alex Schober, and I'm the analyst for Chile at Frontier Strategy Group. Here we are in front of the Chilean embassy in Washington, D.C. So Chile's been in the news a lot recently. First because of the presidential elections that they had in December, which Sebastián Pinera won his second term, but also because of the allegations that the World Bank manipulated Chile's ease of doing business rankings. With all this noise going on in the media, it's important that you guys, our clients, have a very clear vision of what's happening in our markets. As such, here I am to talk to you guys a little bit more about our new Chile Market Spotlight, which aims to explain some of these developments. This Chile Market Spotlight is a little different than some of the ones that we've had in the past, because it talks about why the market is still attractive for multinational companies, but also why there's still some challenges that were made in the market. Then, of course, we talk about some of the trends going on in Chile. We offer three of them. The first one is that copper export revenues will lead Chilean economic growth in 2018. This is because copper prices are at their highest level since 2012. The second trend that you should pay attention to is that private consumption will be even stronger in 2018. This is because Chilean consumers are feeling optimistic about Chile's economic outlook, which will make them feel more confident to make purchasing decisions. The third trend is that Pinera will likely have trouble governing Chile because of a fragmented Congress. As such, multinationals should temper their expectations that Pinera will be able to roll back some of Bachelet's policies and be able to pass a very pro-business agenda. Next, we offer two risks that could happen in Chile's market for the year that's coming. The first one is a major disruption in the copper industry, which could come from either Chilean copper mining protests or from a fall in Chinese demand. The second risk that is possible is that Pinera decides to pursue an unpopular policy path, which could result in street protests, similar to the ones that he saw in his first term in office. Then, of course, like any other market spotlight, we go into some of the scenarios for the market, as well as some of the actions to take for each industry. I would love to talk to you more about Chile. In the meantime, read our new Chile Market Spotlight, and if you have any further questions, contact your account manager, and I would love to set up a meeting with you. Thank you very much for your time.